day. I'm just on my way to yoga, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day. I'm so glad. So it's my birthday and I have almost everything ready. I just went to get some hummus for myself, just for a snack.
Jewish Shabbat song.
Well, tell the sculpture that there was passion. The hand that marked them, and the heart that the lightning I saw show for my pity on high where the rain.
We've just been cleaning because you can't imagine. But look, I arranged all my flowers. They look so beautiful. I arranged them so that they look very wild. I love this kind of flowers. And I have even another bouquet by the entrance. God, I love having flowers. Thank you so much to everybody that brought flowers. They make me so happy. It was just the best thing. It's the day after my birthday. So I'm off to a meeting with a company that I actually really like. They make pieces of linen. They make trousers and shirts. I want to get some pair of pants. And I contacted them because I realized that they have an office really close to where I live. Literally, it's a 10 minutes bus ride. I was going to cycle, but my lift is not working. So I'm going to head there and see what they've got. Because it would be so cool to do a collaboration. You know, I love doing, as an artist, collaborations with fashion companies or just people that I believe in, that are independent companies or boutiques or people. Hello my flowers. So I'm just gonna have my morning coffee and go through what we're doing today. I'm gonna make a plan in my notebook. Today, this evening, I have a new flatmate coming. Don't know exactly, I guess he's going to be working, he's modeling and he's staying in London for 1 week, just under 1 week. His name is Chris. Hi Chris. So I'm expecting him tonight. And he'll stay with me for a few days. Now, I wanted to place an order actually because I went to other stores yesterday, the brand, the shop in Regent Street, and I found some tops, but they never have the smallest size. And they told me that in the internet they sometimes have it, so I'm gonna check if they have it.